Hey guys, it's Kelly with MCA for Dummies, and I'm super excited to be doing this particular video because I'm about to show you my secret weapon when it comes to branding. I'm going to be talking about Canva, canva.com. So, how to make branded content with Canva and why it's so important. Now, I know you guys have heard us say it and other marketers say it a million times, you must brand yourself. The reason for that is because there are so many people out there that are selling MCA. So you need to set yourself apart. You need to find a way to become memorable to people so that when they do pass you up the first time, they're going to remember you and decide to come find you and sign up with you later on when they are ready. So, I want to show you, first off, what all Canva is capable of, and then we're going to look at some examples, and I'm just going to talk about, different things that you can do in order to brand yourself. So, over here, on Canva, you have pre-made sizes, which I think is really handy, like Facebook cover, Facebook ad image, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnails. You can make your business cards on here, your pull tab flyers, posters, even an ebook if you wanted to. It's insane. You can make your logos, you could make brochures, the possibilities are endless when it comes to Canva. Anything that you can imagine, you can create because you can upload your own images as well. So, what we're going to do now, I'm just going to go back in and show you a few examples of things that I have made with Canva. I know it's going to take too long if I try to pull each one of them up, but I just want you guys to take a look here and see how different each one of these are. Like, this is our MCA for Dummies cover photo. This is a cover photo I made for Qua with all of her social links on it. This one I made for Valerie. I made this See First one here with James's logo, Team 500 on it. It's just anything you can think of to make, you can make it. My mom has a cleaning business. I made her business cards on here, and then she went and had them printed off. And then they have pre-made templates and things as well. Like this right here, this is so cute. It said single taken married to something else, I forget what, and I changed it to marketing and I put Free Spirit Solutions underneath. Like, they have pre-made things like this where all you have to do is edit a few of the words and put your own brand on top, and you're done. It's amazing. It's very simple. So, there's no reason why you guys, can't do it. So, I just want to show you, we're going to go into social media post here, since that's what I was talking about. And I just want to show you how insanely easy it is to make a branded image for any of your pages, actually, for Instagram, for Facebook, for your YouTube channel, anything. If you guys go to my YouTube channel, there are other Canva tutorials that I've done in the past that get a little bit more in-depth with showing the actual process and making different things with it. But it's very, very easy and user-friendly and all that, so I'm not going to get too technical with you guys. I just mostly wanted to show you what was possible and talk to you about why it is so important. So it's popping up now. So over here on the left, you're going to have all kinds of pre-made templates. And you see how the little free sign? There are paid things within Canva, but you don't have to use it because there's plenty to choose from for free, and you can also upload any of your own images as well. So, it does take a little bit to load. I was going to look for one that was kind of decent and easy that we could just switch out. Like, okay, this one right here. It's just simple, has a quote on it. Give it a second to catch up. Come on. Okay, here we go. So now, obviously, we're not class of 2018. We want to change that, but I like this quote. We can keep that. And, of course, because I want to be quick and show you guys, it's going to act up on me. So we'll just double click it, and we're going to highlight and take it out. Maybe. Okay. Man, it does not want to cooperate with me. I'm sorry, you guys. There we go. So now I took out the font that was already in there, and I'm just going to type in my brand. Maybe. Okay guys, so I paused the recording there because it didn't want to cooperate with me, but we've got my brand on top of the photo now. If I wanted to change the color, like get a little color pop in there, I'll go up here. And let's make it green. You can also change the fonts, the sizing, the spacing. If I didn't want this stripy background on here, that's very easy to change as well. But I kind of like it. I'm going to leave it as is. And I want to show you guys up here. When you go to click on download, it's going to come up and give you some options. So I save all of mine as PNG format. That means that it would have a clear background. So if I wanted to put this on top of another image, there wouldn't be any kind of white border around it. It would have a transparent background. So then you just hit download and it goes and saves to your computer. I like how Canva also gives you like cute little quotes while you're waiting too, which is it's cute. Okay, so now if I wanted to, I could go right to Facebook to post it, but I usually pull it up off my computer whenever I'm ready. The cool thing about Canva is that you can make a bunch of these in one setting, and then you could schedule them up for your fan page, or you could post them on your personal page, like all throughout the week. So instead of, racking your brain every day for content, just sit down when you have some spare time and make a bunch of them, and then you have them for your use with your brand on them. Okay, people get used to seeing your brand, they remember it. So that's why it's important. And so just to show you some other things that you can do, you have over here the text, and they do have some pre-made templates as well. I recommend scrolling down. It takes forever to scroll down on Canva, but if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of this text field, they have some really neat colored ones with like colored backgrounds and just like different style kind of fonts. I really like those, so make sure to check those out. You could go to background if you want to change the background for it. You can also search for like just about anything that you want, and they're going to give you options. It's going to pull up options for you. So see, they have all these different free backgrounds that you could use. Another cool thing I like is elements. I like to use the lines and the icons a lot. I use both of those a lot. Also shapes. And what they do is just kind of, add decoration to whatever it is that you're creating. So like this, looking at this one, this here is an icon. So to get this big quote, they went in here to icons and they chose that. This big circle, the white circle, that came from shapes. Okay, so you guys need to be aware of the little extra things in here so that your designs can come out looking really nice. So, and then going into uploads, I kind of already showed you guys that, but what you do is just click upload your own image, and you could upload something you pulled off Google or something that you already have on your computer, and you can make your own images with that. Okay, mine's a mess. I need to clean it out. I make designs and logos for people, so it's just like very chaotic in there. So, and that's pretty much it. I don't want this video to get too long. Like I said, if you do go to my YouTube channel, you're going to see other Canva tutorials, but it really comes down to just messing around with it and practicing. You can do so much with it, like so much. And there's other similar programs out there as well. I know PicMonkey is one that my mentor likes to use. It's basically the same thing as Canva. It's just that I've used Canva from the beginning and I'm very used to it. It's just what I prefer. There's also a lot of great apps that you can get for your phone in order to make branded content on your phone as well. I really like PixArt, as well as Pixie, Fonty. There's a million of them, and they all pretty much do the same thing. You just have to find one that you like, and that you like, that you like to work with, and just start doing it. I promise you that if you start making branded content for your web pages and for your business, you are going to notice a difference in your conversions. Plus, people will remember you. So they might not even realize, like, hey, you're with MCA. They're just going to ask you about this Free Spirit Solutions thing. What is this about, you know? So just be aware, guys. I want you to make branded content. I really do. When it's this easy, when you have something like Canva that makes it so disgustingly easy, there's no excuse for it. So just start doing it. You will see a difference.